they leak always. Over time, they just, yeah,
it's fucking empty. This was a problem also in the Rovers. The Range Rovers, they had this problem. I love EType. Only in British cars I have seen this system.
The SUs, these are the SU cars.
Yeah. And the special oil?
And you can put any oil in, but this is the right oil. This is SU damp oil.
Okay.
But you can put, if you get stuck, you can put old engine oil in. It's